Hey, it's Louis Paramore. Today is Sunday. Now today, I've had a pissed off day. Today, the fire alarm went off, the fire brigade come out, the little mini one. This building is gonna get done. Because, like, as I've said in a previous vlog, that after 10 o'clock, no one is here until, like, 8:30 in the morning. So firemen are not impressed. So people are investigating that now. Even more the fire service are. So yeah, I finally got some sort of heatation, but they haven't fixed my heating. Here's my little heater I've been given. A little blue here. It feels like some what? My cheeks are freezing. But yeah, I went Jenny's family's party for a bit. Obviously, you know, I've got my heater. These people, what got me from? I got this. I've opened it there from Millie's party. I went Tesco's. I made cupcakes in the morning, so last night, and I tried washing my hat too. It's kind of floppy because we put it in the dryer. So yeah, my hat's kind of messed up. I'm getting further on my business website, so that's good. At the moment, I'm just like in the middle of cooking fish and chips. So yeah, I'm just doing that. I think I might have bread and butter with one of my fish and chips. And we got this hot chocolate from Greggs, and it was like minging. Don't have hot chocolates from Greggs. It's disgusting. I'm on my own tonight. My mum's not staying. Like, all weekend, like, not weekend, but, the last couple of days, like, when I've been giggling and shit in my vlogs, is because my mum and my mum's boyfriend have been there. Like, the first night when I really giggled, my mum's boyfriend and my mum was there. Then on the next day, it is the weekend, yeah. So, like, Thursday night, my mum and my boyfriend were in the caravan. And then Friday night, my mum's boyfriend went out to the caravan for a fag. And then my mum, she sat in the caravan. My mum got me all that stuff I'm going to show you as well. Then what else? Then last night, my mum stayed over at mine. Like, we've come back up this way. To Birmingham, obviously, you know, from last night, and my mum stayed here. Tonight she's staying over at Jenny's, so she's not staying here. So yeah, but I'm so glad I got a bit of heating. Like, I might actually be able to sleep tonight. Like, last night I didn't think I barely even slept, and then I got woken up at like 8 o'clock, like before 8:30. By the fire alarm going off, and then the fire brigade come out, and yeah, it was all over someone's shower, because I already knew that, like, I'm the only one that turns it off half of the time. I think that's pretty much it. Like, I haven't really done much else. Like, I was looking at getting an Now TV thing, and I never in the end. Still looking for an iPhone to buy. But yeah, I'm waiting for my boyfriend to reply at the moment. I don't know why he's not answering his phone. Sorry about that. So yeah, once he answers his phone and he joins my party, I'll be talking to him on Xbox One, just waiting for my dinner to cook, and then I'll be eating that. And then I'll be carrying on my website at the same time. So yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. Like, these have been quite short vlogs for the last couple of days, but soon, hopefully, I'll start recording more and stuff like that. So yeah. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment for challenges. Bye.